There's a reason why children's creative writing often falters, and it's such an easy fix. They don't follow the given brief or the prompt. So they might see a brief that says, write a story about a day at the beach. And they might see a prompt brief that says, describe a day at the beach. So here's what children do, and I've read thousands of children's stories. When it says, write a story about the day at the beach, they will write a descriptive piece. So if it's a story requires a plot, and plots typically require a character. So if it's a story, you need to introduce that character quickly, and they need to have a goal. They need to have a reason for wanting that goal and what happens if they don't get what they want. And then they have to have something stopping them getting that goal. And then the story has to have a resolution. So that's a story. So a story requires a plot. Description doesn't typically require a plot, and description needs a lot more showing because you are describing. So you don't need a plot. You can bring in a little bit of dialogue and you can bring in a little bit of narration, but description is just that, it's description. And a child will lose marks in the 11 plus if they don't follow that very simple brief. So at home, before your child starts a creative writing piece, just discuss the prompt with them for a couple of minutes and make sure that you both understand it. It's such an easy fix.